A Place in the Sun's Jonnie Irwin has shed light on his decision to not inform his children that he is dying, having been diagnosed with terminal cancer. The presenter, 49, has been open about his battle in recent years since going public in November 2022 confirming that he had terminal lung cancer, 2 years after being diagnosed. At the time of his admission, Jonnie stated that while he was attempting to remain positive, he wasn't sure what his prognosis was but stated he was living with cancer. Now, the star has shed light on his reason for not telling his 2 sons, Rex, 5, and twins Rafa and Cormac, 3. "I keep being asked, are you going to tell them?" he said, before adding, "But tell them what?" Continuing to Hello Magazine, Jonnie went on to say, "It would be horrible news that they'd have to get their heads around. It would confuse the hell out of Rex, has got a shocking enough day coming. Let's bury our heads in the sand for as long as possible." Jonnie first noticed symptoms as he suffered from blurred vision while driving in Italy back in August 2020, filming for A Place in the Sun. Faced with not knowing how long he has left with his beloved wife and 3 sons, he has been planning ahead for the days he won't be there for Rex, Rafa, and Cormac, and has already purchased 3 very special gifts to be handed over to them when they each celebrate their milestone birthdays. The presenter admits he tries to monument his love for his sons after fearing that they won't remember him when they grow up. One of the monuments that Jonnie has set up for his boys is the home he bought 18 months ago when he and Jessica moved their family from Hertfordshire to Newcastle so they could be nearer to Jessica's family and Jonnie's battle with cancer. Jonnie bought the house outright to ensure that his family would not have to pay a mortgage or have to worry about repaying anything to the banks, and the dad of 3 hopes to make it a cool and loving place for his 3 boys to grow up with their maternal relatives nearby. This year, he says Father's Day means even more to him. For information or support about cancer, you can contact Macmillan Cancer Support or you can call 020-7940-1760 for advice.